Hi friends, and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Keema Khichdi. Ingredients required to prepare this recipe are: I have taken 2 cups of rice and 1.5 cup of moong dal, that is the yellow dal, and I have soaked it together for near about half an hour. Here I have taken 1 bowl of mutton keema, which is approximate 200 grams. Little bit fresh coriander leaves chopped. Here I have taken 3 big potatoes and I have cubed them. Here I have taken 5 medium size onions and I have sliced them. I'll divide them into 2. Half of it I am going to cook with the keema and another half I am going to fry it and will use it for garnishing. Here this one I have taken 2 dried red chili and I have broken them into half. 1 big tomato chopped. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Here I am going to use red chili powder. This will be near about 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt as per our taste. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Coriander powder, half a teaspoon. This is the garam masala powder, half a teaspoon. Oil for cooking, and apart from all this I'm going to use water for cooking. So now let's get started. First I'm going to cook the keema. Now I have heated near about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using mustard oil to cook the keema, and as I'm going to add these dried red chili and half of the onion. While I'm adding, make sure your flame is low, and this half I'm going to keep. So I'll cook till my onions become slightly pinkish in color. Okay, as you can see, our onion is cooked. Now I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Lower the flame. I will add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. One-fourth teaspoon of red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. And now I will cook the masalas properly. If required, I'll put little oil. I'll put little water. So I'm putting little water just for my masalas to get cooked. As you can see, my masala is already cooked. So I am going to put the keema and the chopped tomatoes and I'll put salt as per our taste. And now I will cook this for some time. As you can see now, our keema is nicely blended with the masalas. So I will add little water to it. Half a cup of water. And I'm going to close the lid and cook for near about 3 whistles. Meanwhile, this is getting cooked. We are going to heat oil in a pot, and then here my oil is already heated. I'm going to fry these onions. So friends, here my onions are fried. I have taken it out from the oil. Now in this oil, same oil, I'm going to add the cubed potatoes and fry them. So I'll fry these potatoes till they become golden brown in color. So friends, here my keema is already cooked. I have put it aside, and here in this gas I am boiling little water so that I can cook the rice and dal. Meanwhile, my potatoes are getting fried. Here my potatoes are fried. This is just the perfect fried potatoes. So I have taken it out from the oil, and now as you can see, there's still little bit oil left. So now in this oil I'm going to add the rice and the dal. Please do this while your gas flame is low. I'll fry the rice little bit. You can increase the flame now, medium flame. And then let this water dry out a little bit. Now you can see, friends, the rice is already dried up and it has increased in the quantity also. So now I'm going to add the keema to this rice. And I'm going to mix this. Remember, we have already added the salt to the keema. So be careful while adding salt. If you feel you have added less salt, you can add salt now. I will also add the fried potatoes. I'll mix everything. I will add little water, lukewarm water, friends. I am using lukewarm water. We'll add little water. Mix everything, put them together. And we'll sprinkle little bit of coriander leaves. Now I will cover this and cook for near about 15 minutes in very low flame. After 15 minutes, I'll open my khichdi, and as you can see, it's cooked. Potatoes are perfectly cooked. Rice is also cooked. So now I'm going to serve this. So here is our keema khichdi ready. I have garnished it with the fried onions and coriander leaf, and also I'm going to serve it with the coriander chutney. This goes well with this recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest video. Do like and subscribe my channel. And do try these recipes at home and let me know how you liked it. See you soon, friends. Bye.